Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making yummy, easy Eid recipe. It takes only half an hour to make. Milk powder. I'm making condensed milk at home. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Butter half tablespoon. Milk 2 tablespoons. Blend. Perfect consistency. Condensed milk is ready. In a saucepan, butter 1 tablespoon. Roasted semiya half cup. Roast for 5 minutes. Now add homemade condensed milk. Mix everything. Keep aside. Make any shape. Shape like this. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Custard powder 5 tablespoons. Sugar half cup. Milk 1 cup. Mix everything. Microwave for 2 minutes. Creamy custard is ready. Now fill the small katoris like this. Now add almonds on top. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Serve chill. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.